Okay, welcome back to Morrocco Method, where natural things happen. I'm Anthony Morrocco, founder and creator of Morrocco Method International. So now we're going to basically proceed with cutting the sideburns. So the previous video we did the beard and the mustache, but now we're going to do the sideboards. So I cut my hair just in sections. I don't do the whole head in one day. So the first thing I want to do is really wet the sideboards. So getting the comb nice and wet and just combing down, getting the sideboards flat, right there. Then with the scissors, we want to just follow the line straight up like you're cutting a piece of paper. Yeah, up, up, up. And that's enough. Brush away the hair. See if you need to cut any more, so I flatten it out again. Now we'll go, yeah, trim, trim, trim. There. So that's combing it back toward the ear. Now I'm going to comb it in the opposite direction. I want to comb it off to the face, right? So just taking all that hair and pushing it toward the face. Again, like cutting paper straight up, 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 up and away. Nice. Push that away. See if there's any other hair that needs to be cut. Yeah, a couple more. Yep, there's always a little bit more to shape. So while we're here, shape, shape, cut, cut. There. I'm going to come back, pushing it back toward the ear again. Yep. Snipping it, just coming up toward the ear. But if you notice, I push the hair behind the ear so I don't cut that sideboard nice and straight. So here's the left side. You can see it's really bushy like it was on the right. So pushing the hair behind the ear, right? We want to wet it. Get it nice and wet, pushing it down, back. And I'm going to go ahead just like a piece of paper, cutting. You can see all that excess hair just by combing it forward like that. Snip, coming up, and pushing it away with my hand. Same thing as the comb. Nice and straight. And now it's done. See, nice and clean. Of course, the hair on the head needs to get cut in sections. I always cut it in sections because I find if I do the whole head in one time, it gets a little irritating. So now we've done the beard, sides of the mustache, and the sideboards.